Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Oh, hello! Oh, hello, Humble Bubbles! I see you doing, little rabbit. Are you up on your all fours? Did you just go from sitting to all fours?
Gonna leap and a jump.
You clever monkey. Right, Mummy's getting back into bed to say... Happy day 22! Oh my goodness,
Oh my
really? Uh-oh. Right, we gotta wrap some presents.
Good enough.
We've got to pack. I decided to unvlogmas yesterday because the wedding and everything, didn't film a single thing. So we've skipped day 21 and we're straight to day 22, which is great because that means that I don't have to catch up on editing. Yay! But it was a lovely, lovely wedding, wasn't it, darling?
It was beautiful. You sang beautifully.
Oh yeah, I sang The Look of Love by BAAAACK for Sarah and Manish. Sarah's one of my oldest, loveliest friends, and it was such a joy to sing at their wedding. So yeah, and be there, and it was just beautiful. It was so lovely. Got back super, super late. B was awake until just before we got back at about after midnight, because you went to bed very early and then you woke up again, didn't you? And Mum and Dad just had her downstairs watching James Bond because they were like, they didn't know what else to do with her. So you just were up, weren't you, you silly little monkey? Hi. Oh. Alright guys, well, we will catch up with you in a bit.
I'm not taking this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles reboot. There's Grandpa. Oh, Bappa. And there's Gabby. And they're having a Christmas party.
Happy Christmas! So you won't be saying Dad and Mum? Happy Christmas? No. Happy Vlogmas!
Happy. Yes. We're going to miss you all. Yes.
Oh, packing for Christmas. It's hard work. We've got a list. We're going to check it twice. We're going to find out who's naughty or nice.
So, we're on our way to... Oh dear. Hello everyone, we're currently on our way to Liverpool. We've just stopped off to get some food. Something you'll learn is never to give Gabby your card and then tell her to go and buy some food when she's hungry, because she's bought half the shop.
Oh my goodness, I've got so many good things to eat.
Do I want to know how much that cost? Okay. Wow. We've got Hobbs sitting up front. Hello Hobbs. Oh, hello Hobbs. He is very distracted by something. There he is. Hello. Anyway, did you get a text just now?
No, I actually haven't.
Well, it might be a WhatsApp.
Oops. Oh, yeah. What's this, you say? No clue for today. No advent treat as we journey away. But wait, says I, the time is nigh for you to play some travel I spy. For Hobbs is such a handsome dog, and should he want to see, a mirror is provided for him, is where your gift. A mirror is provided him, which is where your gift will be. That was the best hiding place yet. Oh, more fudge.
More food. Which flavour's that?
Pistachio. Oh, well done, my darling.
Right,
You have done very well.
Is B still asleep?
B is fast asleep, little baby.
Right, well let's crack on then.
Okay, right, we've only got a 4-hour journey
Yeah,
now.
4-hour journey ahead.
But I've got lots of food, so it's fine.
Right, Hobbs, where do I go? What do you mean you didn't look it up in the map?
Okay, we're about halfway through our journey. And B's just driving the car whilst having a bottle. And Hopsy?
Beep,
Beep,
beep, beep.
Oh, bless her. Oh.
Drive easy.
It's very cute.
Oh, that's for her.
She can take that home with her.
Says jelly flowers.
It's heavy, isn't it?
Oh, she loves him. She's like, he's got a good nose for chewing. Oh. And Hobbs like,
Yeah, don't worry, he won't.
don't worry, he's fine with that.
Can I take a cup? Do you want to go with Grandpa? Yeah! Come on, look!
Wow!
Infinite Christmas!
Magical!
I'll put the heater on so we can sit in it.
Look how magical! Love it up here. Look at that! Who's doing today's advent calendar?
Hello.
Hello.
Hopsy. Hops.
We're in your home now, Stephen. You're in charge.
Hello. Yeah, so we're at my parents' house for Christmas,
Yay!
and it's the 22nd of December. Very close to Christmas. You ready, Hops?
Ooh.
Look at these. I love the way you sit down and sit. 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 Good boy.
Look at that.
You ready? Shake. Good boy. There you go.
Well done,
Oh,
Hobbles.
so nice. Not too warm. Sit. And the other one. Good boy. Cool. There you go. that disappeared. He didn't even chew that. That was just
And then he
swallowed.
looks at you like, did I just
You
have
ready?
that?
Sit. Sit. Shake. Shake. There you go.
Oh, good boy, Hobbles.
Right, so we've been driving all day, packing all morning,
I know.
and I'm going to sleep all night, hopefully.
Yay, hopefully. Night, night, Hobbles.